Imagine it's a dead Tuesday night. Your tables are empty, but your bank account is growing because your online ordering system and private event bookings are working for you 24/7. And today, I'm gonna show you how to increase revenue streams for your restaurant. Here's the thing most people don't tell you about running a restaurant. Your dining revenue, it's got a ceiling. You only have so many seats. You only have so many hours. But the restaurants that are actually thriving right now are the ones that are profitable, sustainable, and growing. They've built multiple streams of restaurant income, and that's why they're successful. Now, I'm gonna explain to you the 4 revenue streams that you should implement today for your restaurant to become successful. Tip number 1, online ordering and delivery. All right, let me ask you something. It's a Tuesday night, 8 p.m. Your restaurant is quiet. Half of the tables are empty. But 2 streets away, someone is on their couch, hungry, searching for your kind of food. And are you showing up for them? Can they find you? That's what restaurant online revenue is all about. It doesn't replace your dining customers, but it adds to them every single day. The key, don't just rely on the delivery apps. Yes, use them to get found, but also build your own page so you're gonna keep more of those dollars in your pockets. Your restaurant income doesn't have to stop when your dining room is empty. Tip number 2, private events and bookings. That's a feature that a lot of restaurants have, but they don't use properly. Private events, birthdays, corporate lunches. People are desperately looking for venues when they need to celebrate. And your restaurant can be exactly what they need. I had a client, a beautiful Italian place in South Europe. They had a beautiful room at the back that can accommodate up to 20 people. We created a page with a description to explain exactly what the room was about, and we started doing some advertising Google Ads. The week after, they started seeing a lot of inquiries, and after a month, their room was booked every single day. The trick is to make it easy for people to find your room and book it. But the first step you need to do is take nice pictures, create a page on your site, and start promote it. That's it. Tip number 3, cooking classes and experiences. People don't just want to eat your food. They want to learn how to make it. They want to feel connected to the experience. Cooking classes, wine pairing evening, pizza making for kids. These are the experiences that people pay good money for. And that creates incredible, loyal customers. You know what I love about those events? The food cost is low and the experience is great. And people talk about it. They share on Instagram, they bring their friends next time. It's just amazing for promotion. One of my clients, a small trattoria in Carlton, started doing pasta making classes on Sunday mornings. $85 per person. They were fully booked weeks in advance. The restaurant income that didn't exist before, now it's there. Created from skills that you already have. You already got the knowledge and the skills to teach people how to cook. Because that's your passion. Tip number 4, retail and branded products. Your secret pasta sauce, your spice wrap, your house-made gelato. People love it so much they ask you if they can take it home, right? Selling branded products is a way to go, even in small quantities. This is one of the smartest ways to grow your restaurant profit and revenues. And when your customers try and use your product at home, they think of you. And that's amazing because they eventually will come back to your venue. Start with one product. Test it with your regulars. See what they love most, like by selling your pasta sauce. Nobody noticed, but restaurants that struggle are almost always the ones that depends on one thing, one type of customer, one channel, one time of the day. The restaurants that thrive, they build a foundation, multiple stream of income, make your revenue more stable. Now, here's what I want you to do this week. Pick one of these 4 revenue streams and ask yourself, could I start one of these in the next 30 days? If the answer is yes, you're doing right. Even a small first step, set up your online ordering or start running your first private event. It can really make the difference to your restaurant revenue by the end of the same month. So let me know in the comments below which one are you gonna implement first. And that's all for this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you won't miss my weekly marketing tips to grow your restaurant online. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Ciao for now.